You're gonna need 2 large bananas and 3 cups of soy milk too. 1 cup of orange juice, 2 cups of frozen fruits. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or cherries, any fruit will do. Just use what you like, pineapples and mangoes taste good too. Please, oh please, please don't freeze the bananas. You're gonna need a spoonful of peanut butter as well, and a little splash of vanilla. Peel the bananas and break them up. Put them in the blender with the liquid stuff. Blend it until it's smooth. Slowly add the fruit. Put in the peanut butter and the vanilla, and that's all that you have to do.